Now, the fifth attribute, scratch to end. We have developed this system as the scratch to end system. In order to enable an engineering graduate to acquire the necessary employability, whatever he or she requires, everything uh, we are providing through our system. You need not search for any other system to acquire employability. And one more thing I want to tell you, if you want to improve uh, knowledge over and above this one and all that, we are not discouraging to go for other system. But in order to be placed whatever you require, or in order to acquire the necessary employability which is expected by the IT industry, you can get 100% from this system. And the sixth attribute, student friendly. We have read the minds of the students, their standards. So every feature we have incorporated in this thing as a student friendly one. Actually, result are the more interesting part in our life. If you are able to get result and all that, you develop interest in the subject. So we have devised our system so as to enable the students to get results, means in this context to develop the programs as early as possible. In our system, within first 2 days of their learning, they will be in a position to develop a solid C projects on their own in a formal manner. So in this way, we have incorporated many student friendly features in our system. And seventh one, doubt free. Actually, a doubt is an obstruction or a bottleneck in our studies. An average student continuously encountering a series of doubts, obviously he loses interest in the subject, and he finds the alternative way, a simple way. So that's why we have developed it a totally a doubt free system. As I told you already, if you have to get a doubt in the system after your study, you have to make a research. And the basic reason for my confidence is I have incorporated my learning process in the system. My learning process and the learning process of any student is one and same. That's why there is no possibility of facing a doubt in the system. If there is no possibility of facing doubts in, in your study, obviously you understand everything, you acquire knowledge, ultimately whatever knowledge you acquire, you convert into skills. That's why we made it as a 100% doubt free system. And self motivating. Actually, this is online study. In your classroom, there are around 50 to 100 students around you. But here in online study, you always feel isolation. So you should be motivated continuously, or otherwise, we have to create a driving force in you. Driving that is by way of result. And first thing is, we make you to enjoy the subject. What I strongly believe is, where you enjoy, there you never get tired. For example, in classroom, 1 hour period, many students are fed up, many students are tired. uh, but in a film theater, at a stretch, 3 hours is it. You enjoy like anything. Much worse, a cricket stadium. In hot summer, you can sit at a stretch 10 hours on a cement bench or somewhere which is not very comfortable. Now, if you see classroom 1 hour and film theater 3 hours and cricket stadium 10 hours. If you compare that, you can realize one fact: where you enjoy, there you never tire. That's why what we made, we make you to enjoy the subject, because why you are studying our system for the sake of career. So here nobody will force you to study this and all that. Once you start an understanding subject without any doubt, and you are able to transform your knowledge into skills. That means you are able to develop projects on your own automatically. It is a great self motivating feature. So we have adopted the Eclavia system. That's why in each and every segment of your study, you feel the motivation. That is like a thread in the garland. Thereafter, self mastering. Actually, in my view, this is the ninth feature. In my view, learning is the beginning of your study. Mastering is the destination. So here this is a pure placement finishing training program. That's why everything your destination is mastering the subject, not just for learning for writing an examination. So self mastering. If whatever concept you learn, you must be in a position to apply that, and you have to acquire skills, and you will be in a position to transform your skills into abilities. That's why we have developed it a self mastering system. 10th, application oriented. Actually, already I told you, your knowledge is very much required, the essential prerequisite. A conceptual understanding is like a blueprint of application. So you should not ignore this. And at the same time, you have to acquire the skills. Actually, it is like a car driving. In car driving, you cannot learn car driving in the classroom. In classroom, what you can learn, what are the do's, don'ts, techniques, precautions, etc. about the car driving. If you want to become a good driver, you must sit in the driving seat, and you make a few trials and errors, and at one point of time you will be in a position to drive the car. Thereafter, you can acquire the skills. And in this context, one more point, very important point I have to tell you. Who is the good driver? A good driver is who can avert accidents well. Avert an accident. This is 100% applicable for the programming domain, because here the industry, software industry, is spending 20% of the time on productivity, actual productivity, 80% of the time on debugging and maintenance. Debugging means aversion of accident. Understand? So here one thing, not only learning subject, how to get rid of, how to avoid bugs, or otherwise, if you face a bug is incorporated in your system, how to avoid that, you have to learn. So that also you learn here. That's why totally you study everything from the day one in application oriented aspect. You never limit it to knowledge, never limit it to learning concepts. After learning concepts, immediately you apply your knowledge into program. After learning a set of concepts, you take up a project, and all the set of concepts you apply in the project, in the development of the project, in a formal manner. That you have to understand. That we developed as a totally application oriented subject from the inception. Thereafter, international standards. Actually, we have applied, we have developed all the tests using international standards. In this context, you must understand what are the international standards, how they are different from other standards. International standards means first, uh, they test your conceptual understanding, they and your IQ. Actually, not only conceptual understanding, and presence of mind is required. Whenever you require that, it should strike to your brain. Thereafter, your IQ. 3 points, three characteristics they test. Always you remember, in international certifications, uh, three things are tested: your conceptual understanding, presence of mind, and IQ. So, in all our certifications and tests, we have used the international standards, so that you can understand them practically. There is no room for by hearting. You must understand each and every concept, you own it, And whenever it is required, that knowledge is required, it should be presented in your brain. It is a presence of mind, and your IQ is also tested simultaneously.